Welcome to CarOg 765, the channel where we bring you the most legendary, classic, and timeless machines from the automotive world. If you are a true car lover, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our family, because here we celebrate the history, beauty, and performance of cars that shaped generations. Today, we are diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a living piece of American automotive history, and a true collector's dream. The Z28 holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts because it represents the peak of the first-generation Camaro and the golden era of muscle cars. The 1969 Camaro Z28 came to life during a time when muscle cars were more than transportation, they were about attitude, personality, and raw performance. Chevrolet introduced the Camaro as a direct competitor to the Ford Mustang, and the Z28 trim became the weapon of choice for those who wanted a street-legal car that could also dominate the racing tracks. What set the Z28 apart was its unique 302 cubic inch V8 engine. This small block powerhouse was underrated at 290 horsepower, but anyone who drove it knew the actual figure was higher. With high revving capabilities, incredible torque, and a roar that defined excitement, this engine turned the Z28 into a racing legend. When you look at the 1969 Z28, its design instantly commands respect. The muscular stance, aggressive front grille, cowl induction hood, and bold racing stripes made it a true standout. Every detail of its exterior was crafted to give it both performance and presence. The longer, wider body compared to earlier Camaros made it look meaner and more powerful. With optional spoilers and chrome accents, it became a car that looked fast even when standing still. Inside, the Camaro Z28 was all about a driver-focused experience. The interior was straightforward but stylish, with bucket seats, a sporty steering wheel, and an optional console-mounted gauge cluster that gave it a race-inspired feel. It wasn't overloaded with luxury, but it offered everything you needed for comfort while reminding you that this car's true purpose was performance. On the road, the Z28 was pure magic. With a 4-speed manual transmission and handling tuned for speed, it delivered an exhilarating driving experience. Its lightweight body, powerful V8, and responsive suspension made it one of the best-performing cars of its time. Whether tearing up the drag strip or hugging corners on winding roads, the Camaro Z28 proved itself as a machine built for excitement. It was designed to win races in the Trans Am series, and it carried that spirit onto the streets for everyday drivers who wanted to feel like racers. Even today, over 50 years later, the 1969 Camaro Z28 is still celebrated as one of the most desirable classic muscle cars. Collectors chase after well-preserved models, and enthusiasts restore them with pride. Its legacy continues not only in car shows and auctions but also in the hearts of anyone who appreciates raw power, timeless design, and the golden age of American performance. This was the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a legend that refuses to fade. If you enjoyed this journey into classic muscle car history, don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 for more timeless stories, reviews, and deep dives into the cars that define passion. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.